Alright, well, my Creative Auto died, so I'm going to use my Droid X. So I apologize for the horrible picture. Although I honestly think the sound sounds better on this. But anyway, I still got to do a lot of cable management here, but I'm mainly just putting it together to test it. I should have tested it outside, but I just always go and do this, because I'm usually confident I'm going to get good parts. So hopefully this won't be any different. But I'm just about ready to plug this up, or plug this in for the first time and see if it boots up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, time to do first boot up. Red fans on, all the fans are on. Screen, that's good. Going into the setup, I guess. Alright, good, we're in the BIOS. Sweet. Alright, now I gotta get this all set up to so I can get it to boot Windows. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, we got it loading the window files here. So now I'm just gonna get Windows installed, and then we will see you, and then we gotta do some drivers, and still got quite a lot to do on this. But so far so good on everything being working in here. And it is very quiet. All the lights work. So not bad. But I'm gonna get installing Windows, so I'll turn the cam back on a little bit later. Alright, just installing some updates and whatnot now. The computer is complete. It's pretty quiet. Loudest thing that's definitely the hard drive. But so far I'm happy with it, and hopefully the client will be too. Unfortunately, I'm not going to have time for any benchmarks, but I'll let you guys know in the description what it got. Alright, so till next video, peace out guys.